Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because we just arrived to Sugar Mill Ruins campsite. It's located in New Smyrna Beach. Beautiful place. They say the pool have the shape of the state of Florida. I can't wait to just go. You know what? Let me just show you. Stay with me. So what do you think about that pool? It was amazing. I tell you what, we had a great time. The staff that work in the office, amazing people, very good customer service, everything clean. The bathrooms right next to the pool, shower cleans, everything organized, beautiful table with umbrellas that you can see with your family. I mean, we had a great time at that pool. But I hear that they have a lake on the back. So we are getting ready to just go there. I'm gonna fly my drone over. It's gonna be amazing. So stay tuned, guys. Don't go nowhere. Wow, that video of the lake was amazing. I tell you, I mean, beautiful lake, a lot of mullets jumping around. If you know how to fish, man, you can catch a couple of fish there. But now I want to show you a little bit about the campground. I want to show you how it looks like. Very quiet, very clean. I mean, very peaceful, and I enjoy this. I'll tell you what, I enjoy to sit down in my chair, have my drink, and just enjoy the day. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you.